they come to the river and then they spawn, which means the female fish lay eggs. How many do we have?
We have 4. Straight up, straight up. And the other baby is flying. Done. Let's shove it in the bag. Now just that one. And there's the funny bread for my dad.
Got it. Then you just crumble the back.
We'll go on the big cube.
It's a dragonfly.
And you have to find footprints. You have to find an acorn.
Are you guys ready to go? All right.
Dad, they just put a cloud on.
All right. So today we're going to the McLane Creek Nature's Trail. It's November 10th, and they say that you can find salmon spawning up there through November all the way up into early December. So hopefully we'll find some spawning salmon, some living ones, some dead ones. What else are we looking for, Leo?
Spiderweb and a certain tree and a certain bird and a certain leaf and acorn and some rocks and a mushroom and some grass and a stick and a dandelion and claw? No.
And a salmon. No.
No. Dragonfly and a certain leaf and a cloud and a long. That's fell off.
Okay.
I got my hand warmer.
What's in your pocket, Jovi?
I have hand warmer.
Nice. Is it toasty?
Toasty worm.
All right. Let's go find some
Salmon. Let's get her. Go inside. Daddy, this way.
You okay, bud?
I don't know.
Go forward. There's your pocket. No salmon out here today? You see the ducks out there?
Oh, there's one.
What do you think of McLane Creek so far? Haven't found any salmon yet. We're supposed to have like a 2-hour window here of no rain. It's been dumping, so we're getting the kids run around while Joy stays home and sleeps, feeds the baby. How you doing, Jove? Good.
We have to go there. That's this one.
McLane Creek is like this little hidden gem right outside of Olympia. A little loop, and then the salmon come here to spawn, and there's otters and beavers and ducks. And this is also a special place because this is where Joy and I came to get our wedding pictures done right before we got married, because it's like 2 minutes from my parents' house. It's a part of the Capitol Forest State Park, and it's one of the best little bird watching places in the whole world. I don't know, not sure enough. How many ducks do you see, Leo?
100.
100 ducks? What do ducks say?
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Let's go then.
No salmon out here? Still no salmon. Any salmon in there?
Nope.
Alright, we gotta get to the river area. Let's go find the fish.
Let's go 5 miles.
Hope so.
Otter or
Otter or
amazing. It's amazing. The dog went at me.
The dog ran at you?
No, he just went at me.
Yeah, this track used to be a train track. It was all the way down there.
Yeah, and then he used to depart.
I think up this way we're gonna find our salmon. We are here, we're gonna loop it there. And that's where we get our salmon. This way, to the salmon.
No, that's not green. This
Green leaf? That's green, Jovi. Got it.
Remember, we're going this way.
How's your sandwich?
Good. I got the butt.
Oh no.
Butt. It's not a butt. This is a butt. Tell me how to nuts.
Bread, Leo.
It's a seed. My bread is a ginormous seed.
Look at that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We're halfway done with the checklist, so we're doing pretty good.
And 6. Go.
Here we go. Is it tail? When you run, it wags? Yeah,
But when do they die?
right here.
Are they trying to go up somewhere? Why is he trying to get farther up the river? Why are there so many of them?
All right, we found our salmon. There's like hundreds of them just swimming around up here. We did a quick Google search and we found out that they're chum salmon and that they spawn when they're 2 to 7 years old. And what else did we learn, Leo?
No idea.
That they stay in their eggs for 12 weeks. And then they'll swim around and then head back out to the ocean. And then they do it again. And in like a month, they're all gonna be dead. It's gonna be super stinky up here. Maybe we'll see a bear trying to eat one. Or a fox.
Or coyote.
Yeah. This is pretty sweet. It's pretty easy walk, right? And you get to see all this wildlife. They're out here biting each other's faces and stuff. Just splashing around. It's very, very, very cool.
Trying so hard to get up here.
Hightailed it. We found our salmon. Pretty cool. Really cool. How cool would you say it is, Leo?
Brazilian cool.
A bazillion cools?
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say too. The coolest thing I've ever seen.
Yes, I'm
Ah.
more than cool. Cool.
Jovi, how cool are those salmon? Way cool? Yeah, they are. What was your guys' favorite part of the salmon?
Them dying.
Them dying? They're not dead yet.
They're not dead. Time.
What do the salmon do, Jovi?
They're still fast.
They go fast up the river? Yeah. What do you like what the salmon were doing, Leah? What did you see the salmon do?
They went sideways. Oh, went sideways. Oh, and I'll eat a face.
They eat each other's faces.
No, that's mine. No,
Oops.
that's mine.
2 more spawning salmon over there. What do you see, Jovi?
I'm fish in the water.
5 otters?
Over here.
I don't see any otters, Jovi.
There's otters this way.
It's showing us where the otters are. Let's go, Leo. The bears live here?
Yeah, what happened to all these fallen trees?
I don't know, wind? Maybe
Wind?
a big bear pushed them over? Maybe loggers came and chopped them down one time ago. Just started to rain. We gotta get out of here before we get soaking wet. Just kidding. We're from Washington. It's always raining. If you can't go outside in the rain, you can't go outside ever. That's what my mom always says.
What? Now my mama says.
Your mama says that? I'm sorry, you hurt yourself. Are you okay? Your shoe fell off? How you feeling, Job? You gonna make it? It's raining hard. Leo, you doing okay?
They've been praying for the rain, but I see the waterfalls. Something's gotta change. Don't you hear?
Come on, turn here.
Oh,
They'll be singing.
here we go. We're gonna make it.
Oh yeah, see that house up? See that top of the roof?
Yeah.
We're supposed to go this way.
Are we here? Made it.
That guy got 2 gas pipes. Probably should have 6 gas pipes.
6 gas pipes?
Got a hand warmers.
What happened to your pants?
Sometimes.
Zach, how was it?
Good.
Was it worth it?
No.
No?
It's not worth
Should we come back later and see him dead?
it. Later today,
No, in like a month.
so you won't get built to see them because they're soil. They're soil now.
They'll turn into dirt. Joe, have you got your pants off too?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Buckle up.
I do.
I'm gonna shut the door.